Good evening, everyone. Hope everybody's having an awesome evening. I'm new to YouTube, and this is my first video that I've spoken in, but I thought, you know what, this would be a good opportunity to share my reviews on my East Oak tabletop fire pit. This is my second season. I bought it last fall, so I used it through the winter, and now we're starting to use it again this fall. This isn't a paid review. This is just, I did some research and found this one. It's a little larger than most of the other tabletop fire pits, so you can use a little bigger pieces of wood in it. This one will also burn pellets. It has a insert that goes in the center, so it'll burn pellets. But I just burn regular old chunks of wood. I have a molding shop that makes ornamental molding for buildings not too far from me, and all their scrap wood they actually put outside and let people just have it for free. And then I just cut it down into chunks. You know, this is an average size. I cut it down to about 3 inches and works perfect. Throw in there a couple at a time and sit back and enjoy a nice fire. I wanted to share with YouTube. A lot of times I get so much information off there when I'm looking for a project or something, and I want to give back. So if anybody's looking for a tabletop fire pit, you know, give this one a look. Also, you might notice it is sitting on a 5-gallon metal bucket. That's actually the ash can from my wood-fired oven that I put hot ashes in when I need to remove them out of the oven. I actually like it a little lower than sitting on top of a table. This is down lower. You can actually see into the fire a little better, and it's a little warmer than having to sit around a table. So, but totally have enjoyed it, and it's held up really well so far, and thought I would share that with you, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and we'll talk to you later.